Hi, this is Alice from Fine & Country. I'm at Hooper's Bridge near Nanstallen. We're about to take the mill on the market, converted to a really high standard with 3 bedrooms and lots of character features. Also includes the cottage here, which is fantastic if you're looking for accommodation for another family member or additional income. It also includes a large bar, great for entertaining outside, plus a large garage with studio over and lots of garden. So if interested, please give us a call on 01208 76 800. Thank you.